Smiley, and today I'm going to be doing a glow-in-the-dark slime video. So, let's get started. Okay guys, so the ingredients you'll be needing are lotion. This is optional, but I like to put it into my slimes. Activator. I keep it in a spray bottle so it limits the amount that you put in. And glow-in-the-dark glue. I'm going to be using the yellowy white one today because I'm just going to save the blue one for a different day. But you can color the yellowish white one and it'll still glow. So, yeah, so the first thing that you want to do is add your glue. It's so thick. Watch. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, it's hard to get out. It's like glitter glue. Because glitter glue is really thick. And this is glittery, so. Yeah. Alright. I'm just going to stop there. Because we could be sitting here for an hour trying to get all the glue out. So, this is what the glue looks like. It's really pretty. So now you're going to add your lotion if you want to. I'm not going to add that much, but like I said earlier, it's optional. And then just mix. It's like hard to mix. It's so thick. So it's pretty good right now. So now I'm just going to squirt some activator in. I add my activator very slow so it doesn't get hard, but it's a lot easier to add a lot, but I choose not to because I don't want mine to get hard. Because, you know, it'll just be wasting your glue because it'll be getting hard. So, it's, like I said earlier, it's so thick. Like gloopy. It's so weird. But basically like hard to activate. It's so thick. Wowee. It's so thick. Definitely starting to clump together, so that's good. I got a bunch of activator on me. I feel like going with my hands be messier, but a lot faster, so I'm gonna go with my hands. Wow. It's like it feels really nice. So let's see. Oh, okay, so it's still sticky. Very sticky. So let's add a little bit more. Whoa! It's squirting everywhere. Got all over my face. It kind of feels more like a thick putty than like a slime. I don't know. It feels more like a putty to me, but it doesn't feel very much like my slime. Should have taken my ring off earlier. Oh, wow. Sprays everywhere. I'm sorry for the table squeaking. It's very annoying, but I have to get a new one because it squeaks. So we're going to go in a very dark room so we can see if the slime actually glows. So I'll see you guys there. All right, so this is the bottle. You can't really see it, but it does glow. The slime is right here, but you can't see it also. But it glows actually very well. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed doing it. The slime was not a fail. It actually turned out so well. Be sure to like and subscribe. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.